Hey guys, it's me. So today I'm going out with my friends and I want to put on a full face makeup with foundation. So I have been looking for a transfer proof foundation so that my foundation will not stick on my mask since we have to wear mask. I came across this one. It's Estee Lauder Double Wear Foundation in the shade 4W1 Honey Bronze. I will test it out whether they are really transfer proof or not. Yes, I have a really oily skin, so I'm a bit doubtful that it will be transfer proof. Right now it's 8 a.m. but I'm going to update with you guys throughout the day how it goes. But I don't think I can do a 24 hours comparison, so we'll see how it goes. See you.
So this is my mask after I wear it for 8 hours. I'm so sorry I forgot to take a picture of my face because I'm late for my prayer. But yeah, as you can see, it's not 100% transfer proof, but it's not that bad. I would highly recommend you to try this because it's actually pretty good considering how oily my face was. So thank you for watching and see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.